Today we are talking about Project Samba, which you can see behind me. Samba is a 35-meter, round-built, fast displacement motor yacht. Her naval architecture is done by Yacht on Ginton. The engineering and construction is done by Diana Yacht Design. And for the interior as well as the exterior design, the office of Guido de Groot was taken into charge. Project Samba is equipped with a twin MAN driveline, of course up to the latest standards, IMO Tier 3, APA Tier 4. As she is designed for full comfort at sea, she's equipped with 2 Seakeeper stabilizers and a set of Humphrey fins. In the design we took in consideration the wish of large exterior space, as well on the main deck as on the bridge deck. But Guido can tell you way more about this.
My name is Guido de Groot. I'm responsible for the exterior and interior design for Project Samba. Project Samba is designed around the aft deck. The aft deck is very important for the yacht. It has a large entertainment area. This means that the superstructure is more forward, and in general when you put a superstructure more forward, the yacht becomes more looking like an explorer yacht, and that's something we didn't want. We wanted to still keep a very elegant yacht look. We achieved that by putting really nice, sleek sculptural lines and strong color divisions between white and darker areas, and this gives the yacht a very clean and sculptural and friendly look.